Hey there! Today we're tackling an interesting problem that involves manipulating data in R. The problem we're facing is how to replace specific numbers in a data frame column with corresponding values from another data frame. Quite the head scratcher, right? Now let's dive into the solution for this tricky problem. We can achieve this by using a nifty function called reduce in base R. The code snippet we're focusing on looks like this. Reduce \x I sub lookup $old lookup $noed x seek underscore along lookup $old id init equals dasker. This bit of code is crucial in efficiently replacing the numbers in our data frame column. In continuation of our solution, the code snippet that follows works its magic and outputs the desired result. It transforms the original data frame column and replaces the numbers with their respective lookup values. The result is a beautifully updated data frame with all the numbers correctly replaced. It's like watching a puzzle come together. To sum it up, we successfully tackled the problem of replacing numbers in a data frame column with corresponding values. By employing the reduce function in R, we were able to efficiently handle the data manipulation task at hand. Hopefully, you found this journey through data transformation both insightful and enjoyable. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your support means the world.